This is a demo of signing up for Coinbase. Coinbase is a centralized exchange. Centralized exchanges are great on-ramps to crypto. So if you haven't purchased crypto before, likely you would sign up for a centralized exchange. Just to note, centralized exchanges offer access to digital assets, but they aren't built on blockchains themselves. Let's get started. I'm going to go to this first page and click on the sign up button. I'm going to select if I'm an individual or a business. I'm an individual. Click Get Started. Then I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to select a password. It's always best to use good password management. This is just a demo, so I'm not going to do a strong password, but I recommend you do a strong password. Next, I'm going to certify I'm above 18 years or older, and I'm going to create my free account. Next, I'm going to verify my email. I went to my email and clicked on verifying my email, and it brought me to this page. And now I'm going to type in my password. And now it's time to select my state. I am in New York. And now I'm going to do my two-step verification. I'm going to skip over this step on the demo to keep my mobile number private, but you will want to enter your mobile number. After I enter my phone number and submit a code, I'm going to do some more steps to set up my profile. Then I'm going to verify my identity, so I'm going to have to put all of this information in. Once again, I'm not going to show this on the demo to keep it private, but you'll want to fill this out. It's going to continue to ask for more identity verification info. And then next, you can add a payment method or skip it. I'm just going to skip it to keep this brief. And here I am. I have my Coinbase account and I've logged in. The next step you'll want to do is add your payment information. You'll need to do this so you can purchase crypto on the centralized exchange. Hopefully this makes your onboarding process to Coinbase, a centralized exchange, a bit easier.